Generally speaking, Industry 4.0 describes the growing trend towards automation and data exchange in technology and processes within the manufacturing industry, including the Internet of Things, the Industrial Internet of Things, cyber physical systems, smart manufacture, smart factories, cloud computing, cognitive computing, artificial intelligence. This automation creates a manufacturing system whereby machines in factories are augmented with wireless connectivity and sensors to monitor and visualize an entire production process and make autonomous decisions. Wireless connectivity and the augmentation of machines will be greatly advanced with the full rollout of 5G. This will provide faster response times, allowing for near real-time communication between systems. What is Industry 4.0? Industry 4.0 refers to the fourth industrial revolution, although it is concerned with areas that are not usually classified as industry applications in their own right, such as smart cities. What is the fourth industrial revolution? The first industrial revolution came with the advent of mechanization, steam power, and water power. This was followed by the second industrial revolution, which revolved around mass production and assembly lines using electricity. The third industrial revolution came with electronics, IT systems, and automation, which led to the fourth industrial revolution that is associated with cyber physical systems. Industry 4.0 technologies. Generally speaking, Industry 4.0 describes the growing trend towards automation and data exchange in technology and processes within the manufacturing industry, including the Internet of Things, the Industrial Internet of Things, cyber physical systems, smart manufacture, smart factories, cloud computing, cognitive computing, artificial intelligence. This automation creates a manufacturing system whereby machines in factories are augmented with wireless connectivity and sensors to monitor and visualize an entire production process and make autonomous decisions. Wireless connectivity and the augmentation of machines will be greatly advanced with the full rollout of 5G. This will provide faster response times, allowing for near real-time communication between systems. The fourth industrial revolution also relates to digital twin technologies. These digital technologies can create virtual versions of real-world installations, processes, and applications. These can then be robustly tested to make cost-effective, decentralized decisions. These virtual copies can then be created in the real world and linked via the Internet of Things, allowing for cyber physical systems to communicate and cooperate with each other and human staff to create a joint up real-time data exchange and automation process for Industry 4.0 manufacturing. This automation includes interconnectivity between processes, information transparency, and technical assistance for decentralized decisions. In short, this should allow for digital transformation. This will allow for automated and autonomous manufacturing with joined-up systems that can cooperate with each other. The technology will help solve problems and track processes while also increasing productivity. What is an example of the Industry 4.0 revolution? Industry 4.0 has already been demonstrated through business models such as offline programming and adaptive control for arc welding, taking the process from product design through simulation and onto the shop floor for production. There are also examples of businesses implementing Industry 4.0 in automotive manufacture and a variety of smart factories across the world. What are the details of Industry 5.0? Industry 5.0 is already being spoken about and involves robots and smart machines allowing humans to work better and smarter. Espen Ostergaard, Universal Robots Chief Technology Officer and co-founder, explained, Industry 5.0 will make the factory a place where creative people can come and work to create a more personalized and human experience for workers and their customers. By connecting the way in which man and machine work together, estimates say that Industry 5.0 will mean that over 60% of manufacturing, logistics and supply chains, agri-farming, and the mining and oil and gas sectors will employ chief robotics officers by 2025. The European Economic Social Committee asserts that the proliferation of robotic automation is inevitable.